Tigers are fascinating creatures that captivate our imagination with their majestic presence and remarkable characteristics. Here are some amazing facts about these magnificent big cats. Species diversity. Tigers belong to the Panthera genus and are further divided into 6 subspecies: Bengal, Indochinese, Malayan, Siberian, China, and Sumatran tigers. Each subspecies has unique features and is adapted to its specific habitat, size, and strength. Tigers are the largest cats in the world, with males weighing between 200 to 680 pounds and females ranging from 140 to 370 pounds. Despite their size, these felines are agile and powerful, capable of taking down prey larger than themselves. Distinctive stripes. The iconic stripes on a tiger's coat serve both camouflage and identification purposes. No 2 tigers have the same stripe pattern, making it possible to distinguish individuals. Habitat range. Tigers are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from the Siberian tiger to the mangrove swamps of the Sundarbans. However, due to habitat loss and fragmentation, their range has significantly diminished. Territorial behavior. Tigers are territorial animals, and a single male's territory can span up to 60 square miles. They use scent markings and vocalizations to communicate and establish their dominance within a given area. Incredible jumpers. Tigers are excellent jumpers and swimmers. They can leap up to 10 feet vertically and cover a distance of over 30 feet in a single jump. Their swimming ability is crucial for hunting and cooling off in hot climates. Night predators. Tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, relying on their keen senses of sight and hearing to navigate and locate prey in low-light conditions. Their eyes have a layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum, enhancing their night vision. Powerful jaws. The jaws of a tiger are incredibly strong, equipped with sharp teeth and a powerful bite force. They can crush bones and deliver a fatal bite to their prey's neck, ensuring a swift and effective kill. Endangered status. Sadly, all tiger species are endangered, facing threats such as poaching, habitat destruction, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. In conclusion, tigers are not only awe-inspiring predators, but also crucial components of ecosystems. It is imperative that we continue to work towards their conservation to ensure a future where these incredible big cats continue to roam the wild.